Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to discuss CBSE Class 12 Core Maths Paper Set 2 of Pune region. So let us start with today's video. In this particular session, we are going to discuss section A. So let us start with the session. The first question which we can see here is theta is the angle between the two unit vectors A and B such that sine theta is equal to 3 by 5. Okay. Now sine theta is equal to 3 by 5. If this is theta, so this is 3 and this is 5. So obviously this angle will be, this side will be 4. We need to find the dot product of the two vector A and B. So we know dot product is equal to modulus A mod V into cos theta. And as these two are unit vector, the values will be 1 and cos theta value will be 4 by 5. So your answer should be option C, plus minus 4 by 5. Next question, integrating factor of the differential equation. First, we write this equation in a standard form, that is dy by dx minus 1 by x into y is equal to x cube minus 3. So the value of p of x from here will be minus 1 by x. Okay. So integrating factor is e to the power integral p of x dx, that is e to the power integral minus 1 by x dx. Integration of minus 1 by x will be minus of log x, that is e to the power log of x to the power minus 1. Exponential and log will get cancelled out. So x to the power minus 1. Option C will be correct here. Let us move to the next one. Question number 3. If the direction cosines of a line are root 3k, root 3k and root 3k, then the value of k. We know that the sum of the direction cosine square is equal to 1. So root 3k square 3 times will be is equal to 1. So this will give us 3k square plus 3k square plus 3k square is equal to 1. So 9k square is equal to 1. K will be is equal to plus minus 1 by 3. Option D is correct here. Question number 4. Here it says that a linear programming problem deals with the optimization of an. Which type of problem it is? Linear programming. So it will deals with linear function. Okay. Question number 5. Question number 5 is if P of A by B is equal to P of A dash by B, then which of the following statement is true? See, P of A by B is equal to P of A dash, sorry, P of A dash by B. So we know that P of A by B is equals to, now P of A dash by B will be 1 minus P of A by B. So that will be 2 times P of A by B is equal to 1. Twice P of A by B will be P of A intersection B by P of B is equal to 1. So P of A intersection B is equal to 1 by 2 P of B. Option C is true here. Let us move to the next question now. The next question is if Aij and capital Aij represent ijth element and its cofactor. Now see, this is the direct thing. Okay. Basic concepts are there. If the element is multiplied by its corresponding cofactor, then the answer is determinant. This means if A11 multiply by cofactor of A11 plus element A12 plus element A12 multiply by its cofactor A12 plus A13 multiplied by its cofactor A13. Then always the answer is determinant of A. If anything is other than that, okay, elements are getting multiplied by other than its cofactor, then the answer is always 0. Okay, so here element and cofactors are different, so answer is 0. Option A is correct. Let us move to the next question now. It says that derivative of sine x square with respect to x at x is equal to root pi. Now, if you take y is equal to sine of x square, y is equal to sine of x square, then we need to find the derivative y dash. Y dash will be is equal to what? Y dash is equal to derivative of sine. Derivative of sine is cos of x square, and x square again derivative is 2x. And this we need to find at x is equal to root pi. Okay, let us put x is equal to root pi here. So it will be cos of x square will be pi, cos pi into 2 root pi. Now cos pi is -1, -1 multiplied by 2 root pi. So answer is option C. Next question, the order and degree of a differential equation. Order and the degree of the differential equation. See, highest order here is 2. Highest order here is 2 and its degree is 1. So option C is correct. Let us move to the next question now. Question number 9. The vector with terminal point A and initial point B. Initial point is B and terminal point is A. The vector is like that. So we need to find this vector. So what it will be? It should be, okay. So simply you need to subtract it. What it will be? Let us subtract. So 2 minus 3 minus 1. Sorry. And minus 3 minus of minus plus 5 and minus. So option D is correct. Option D is correct here. Okay, option D is correct. Let us move to the next one now. The distance of the point P ABC from y-axis is. Distance of this point we need to find from the y-axis. Y-axis, if you want to find the distance, so direct answer is under root of a square plus c square. Let us move to the next question. Question number 11. Question number 11. The number of corner points of the feasible region determined by the constraints x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0, and x plus y is greater than 4. Okay. So which type of region it will be? X plus y greater than 4 will give me a line like this. Okay. So it will be 4 comma 0 and here it will be 0 comma 4. And it's greater than 0, so everything above the line. It will not include the origin. So how many corner point does it have? It has only 2 corner points. So answer is option C. Let us move to the next question now. If A and B are two non-zero square matrices of the same order such that A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square, then. Now see, when these things are possible, we know that matrix do not commute. Means AB is not equal to BA. Okay. In the case of matrices, these things are not true. So A plus B whole square will be what? It will be A square plus B square plus AB plus BA. Okay. Now, when this thing is possible कि a plus b का whole square is equal to a square plus b square. It is possible only when this quantity is equal to 0. That is ab plus ba is equal to 0. So that is ab is equal to minus ba. Option B is correct here. Let us move to the next question. It says that a relation R defined on a set x belongs to Z, 0 x is lying between 0 to 10, and R is defined as x is equal to y. Now see, x is equal to y is there. So it will be 0 comma 0, no? 1 comma 1, 0 comma 0, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, and so on. We'll get the points till 10 comma 10. How many such points are there? Such 11 points are there. Okay. Then we need to find the number of equivalent class. Equivalent class you need to find, and the elements are same. Obviously, which type of set will be there? There can be 11 equivalent class. Okay, not more than that. So answer is option D here. 13, option will be D. Next question. If a matrix has 36 elements, then the number of possible order it can have. Matrix is having a 36 element. So one of the order can be 1 multiplied by 36 and 36 multiplied by 1. Another one can be 2 multiplied by 18 and 18 multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 12 and 12 multiplied by 3. 4 multiplied by 9, 9 multiplied by 4. 5 is not possible, and 6 multiplied by 6. So these are the possible order: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So option D is correct. Question number 15. The number of points where f of x is equal to greatest integer function of x, and x lies between 0 to 3, then the function is not differentiable at. So the function is not, function is greatest integer type. So we know that greatest integer type functions are not differentiable on the integers. Okay. So in between 0 to 3, how many integers are there? 1 and 2. Okay. So the correct option, or correct option will be option B. Option B will be correct. Let us move to the next question. Let f of x be a continuous function on a closed interval. It's a theorem statement only. The function f of x is strictly increasing in AB if, when it is increasing, when the derivative of f of x is greater than 0. Okay. So option B will be true. Next question, 17. If x plus y 2, 5, x into y is equal to 6, 2, 5, 8. Now, this will give us that x plus y is equal to 6 and x into y is equal to 8. Now, we need to think of two numbers whose sum is 6 and multiplication is 8. The possible numbers can be 4 and 2. You know? So x and y, one of the possible values of x and y is 4 and 2, because 4 plus 2 will be 6 and 4 into 2 is 8. So we can do that. So 24 by 4 plus 24 by 2. So 12 plus 6. So that is 80. Option D is correct. Let us move to the next question now. If integration 1 upon 4 plus x square is equal to pi by 6, then what is the value of a? So tan inverse formula will be there. 1 upon a, tan inverse x by a. So a value is 2. So 1 by 2 tan inverse x by 2, okay, is equal to pi by 6. And it lies between 0 to a. Tan 0 is 0. So 1 by 2 tan inverse a by 2 is equal to pi by 6. Okay, so tan inverse A by 2 is equal to pi by 3. Tan pi by 3 is tan pi by 3 is root 3. So A by 2 is equal to root 3. So answer is 2 root 3. Option B is correct. Let us move to the next question. Question number 19. A line in a space cannot be drawn perpendicular to x, y, and z axis simultaneously. True. Yes, it cannot be drawn perpendicular to all the three axes. For any line making an angle alpha, beta, and gamma with the positive direction of x, y, and z axis respectively. So we know that cosine ratios are 1. So this is also true. And we are using it here. Okay. So option A will be correct here. Both assertion and reasons are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Next is question number 20. For a matrix 1 cos theta 1 minus cos theta 1 cos theta and minus 1 minus cos theta 1, where theta belongs to 0 to 2 pi, determinant of A will belongs to 2 comma 4. Okay. So first we need to find the determinant. So to find the determinant, now what we do, will change C1. We can use column operations here. Okay. So C1 changes to C1 plus, let us do C3. So your matrix will change to 2. This will be cos theta. This will be 1. This will be 0. This will be 0. Uh, Rest will be as it is. So 1 cos theta. And this is minus cos theta. And this is 1. Okay. Now next is, instead of solving last time, we can directly now multiply. So that will be 2 times. That is 1 plus cos square theta. Okay. So this will be there. 1 plus cos square theta. So 1 plus cos theta will obviously, it will lies between 2 to 4. Okay. So that is correct. There is no issue. Because cos square will lie, cos theta, it lies between minus 1 to 1. So square will be lying between, cos square theta will be lying between 0 to 1. Okay. So 1 plus cos theta will lie between 1 plus cos square theta 1 to 2. And if you multiply it by 2, so it will be 2 times 1 plus cos square theta less than is equal to 4. So it will lies between 2 to 4. So assertion is true. And reason. Now see, to prove this, na, we are using cos theta lies between minus 1 to 1. Obviously, we are using this. This is also true. And we are using it also. So again, option A will be correct. Okay. I hope you have understood this. In case of any doubt, you can comment on the video. For the next video, we will be discussing section B of this paper. Okay. So see you there.